Nope. First of all, I wouldn't hire a type A personality. Okay? What I would hire is someone that could communicate well, who is willing to follow a system. In fact, I would stay away from a type A personality. I don't want that. I want someone who can communicate well, easy to listen to, will follow a system that's coachable. Type A's are going to go way off in too many directions, and that's not the kind of personality I would look like. But to your question, if I was going to focus on to be successful, first of all, profile the list, period. Get real serious, make no exceptions, profile your list of buyers, jackhammer through the veins of gold, only call A accounts, and make sure you know the difference between an A prospect and a B, C, D, and E prospect. First of all, you got to do that. Second of all, you got to set yourself up, Ed. Companies, there's still a lot of companies that work very inefficiently. They make it harder for themselves. It's like, if you're going to go swimming, you wouldn't, tie a rock to your back and shackle, stones to your feet and so forth, because it's harder to move. A big part of prospecting success has to do with efficiency, working through a good quality group efficiently enough so that you increase the odds of bumping into higher probability buyers that are going to respond to your scripts. So if you don't have the right infrastructure so that a person can get on the phone and work through that group very efficiently, you are doomed before you begin. So list, infrastructure, working efficiently, and then have something valuable to say. When you do work so hard and get that, grade A buyer on the phone, say something that's valuable to them. What you offer, why you're credible, what the benefits are, and exactly what you want. Communicate value. So those would be the three things I would focus on.
That's awesome. This has been a really great call, Scott. I appreciate your time today. Is there anything you want to end with specifically? Anything that we should know? Anywhere where people could learn more about you? Anything like that?
Well, first of all, the website, Scott Channel, 2 T's, 2 N's, and 2 L's, .com. Tons of free information there, so jump on that. But there is one other point I want to make. We are we're talking, Ed, you and I, end of April here in the middle of the pandemic. And, before I make this point, I don't want to say that I think that this is in any way a good thing. I mean, I've got family members on the front line caring for COVID patients. I worry about them every day. It's serious stuff. But here's our reality. A lot of businesses are not going to survive. And if you study past recessions, I've been reading a lot about businesses that survive past recessions. Statistically, 17% don't survive. Heavy percentage of them 3 years after a recession have not reached pre-recession levels. So here's our reality. Our reality is that a lot of our competitors are going to disappear. Boom, okay? They're not going to survive. A lot of our competitors are going to be weakened, okay? And they're not going to be able to service their clients and the needs of clients. We're in the middle of or about to hit one of the greatest reallocations or